Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about the Hadoop architecture. So those who are going to watch for the first time, please like, share and subscribe my channel guys. So let's go into the topic now. So what is meant by this Hadoop architecture? How many layers are there means? Say we are having the two layers are there. One is processing and computation layer for MapReduce and one layer we are going to use completely for the HDFS. So HDFS, we know that basically if you have seen my previous videos there, I have explained you what is that HDFS, what is meant by HDFS architecture, how it is going to follow the master slave architecture process and all. So there I have explained you what is that name node and data nodes also. So this HDFS is basically used for as a storage layer. Only for the storage purpose we will use the HDFS. See, this is the architecture of the Hadoop. One is the MapReduce and one is the HDFS, and Yarn is one framework where this will works like an operating system. All the scheduling of the jobs and the maintaining of all the resources to all the nodes will be performed by this Yarn framework. And next one is the common utilities. Basically, if you want to write any sort of programs, we need some sort of libraries and functionalities. So all that will be provided by all the packages with the help of the Java libraries and all. And next one is the MapReduce. What is the use of this MapReduce? MapReduce is a parallel programming model where we will use it for all the distributed applications. So if you want to process any sort of large amounts of the data sets or the large clusters on the commodity hardwares, then in such cases, if you want to have, that means if you want to have any sort of system or the data without any faults, then we can go for the MapReduce. And for all these things, we are going to use the normal commodity hardwares rather than the high-end expensive servers. We are not using any high-end expensive servers or any supercomputers also we are not using. We are going to use the normal commodity inexpensive hardware devices. We are going to use it. And the MapReduce program runs on the Hadoop, which is an Apache open source framework. We are going to use it. And Hadoop distributed file system. What is this Hadoop distributed file system? This is completely based upon the Google file system and provides a distributed file system. So, and this is designed to run on the commodity hardware. It has many similarities with existing distributed file systems. However, the differences from the other distributed file systems are significant. So, apart from the above mentioned two core components, Hadoop framework also includes the two modules. So, that is the Hadoop common files and the Hadoop YARN. So I told you already in the previous slide, that is Hadoop common file that will consist of all the Java libraries, all the functionalities and all the packages will be there in the Hadoop common files, which are completely required by the Hadoop modules. And Hadoop Yarn is there where this is the framework for job scheduling and cluster resource management. Basically, this Yarn is used for job scheduling and for maintaining all the cluster resources can be done by the Hadoop Yarn. And that's all for today's guys. Hope you like this video. So